In this video, we're going to talk about the importance of talking to one person. So even though your copywriting might be read by thousands of people, each time someone reads your copywriting, you're speaking to one single person. So you always want to keep that in mind. So when you write your copy, it's not targeted at thousands of people. It's targeted at one single person. So just like I said, this is speaking to a single person, and it's not a speech. It's not as if you were giving the sales pitch in front of 20 people. It's more so that you're giving a sales pitch to a single person. And a great way to keep this mindset when you're writing your copy is to create a persona of a typical customer and then speak directly to them through writing. So what is a persona? A persona is a fictional character that's based off the traits that your target market has. So your persona should be representative of your target market. And if you don't know what your target market is, then you're going to want to do more customer interviews. But there is no exact science to making a persona, so you're going to have to guess, but you want your guesses to be educated. So instead of making guesses that you just assume your typical customer will be like, you want to base them off the information you got from your customer interviews. So here's an example of a persona. I found this picture off a Google image search, and I've named this guy Bob Thompson, and I've decided that he's 52 years old and he's married with 2 children. His job is a financial analyst at EY. He loves do-it-yourself projects and hobby businesses, and he's scared of not being able to provide for his family. So I never interviewed someone named Bob Thompson, who is a financial analyst at EY and who loves do-it-yourself projects and hobby businesses. But let's say for this example, I interviewed 20 different people, and they all seem to be similar to this persona. So if I'm writing directly to Bob, then the rest of my target market is going to respond and feel like I'm writing directly to them. Now, I'm not going to include Bob's name in the writing because it's fictitious or not real, but I still want to keep Bob in mind when I'm writing my copy. What would Bob think about what I'm writing right now? So this is really a mental exercise that really just helps you write your copy in a more focused way that'll help your target market.